My research uses functional magnetic resonance imaging to study adolescent brain development. There's a lot that we can learn from neuroimaging, from understanding a little bit more about how our brain changes over time as we develop through our life, to how our experiences change us, to understanding a little bit more about mental health disorders. The ABCD study is a national consortium. There are 21 sites nationwide, and FIU is one of those 21 sites. We are part of a truly elite group of universities and institutions across the country that are all working together to learn more about adolescent brain development. The ABCD study is a landmark study for the United States. It's the largest longitudinal study of adolescent health and brain development that's ever been conducted. We are studying 12,000 children across the United States. We started enrolling them in the study when they were 9 to 10 years old. They're all currently about 15 to 16 years old, so we're about halfway through, where the study will end when they're around 19 to 20 years old. So the goal is to ask them questions about their lives, have a little bit of insight into their experiences. With so many kids across the US and with a demographically diverse sample, we really get a snapshot over time of children's development. I think it's really exciting every day to wake up and go in and study children's brains. It really is the most rewarding thing to having my own kids who are actually right in the midst of adolescence themselves. It really gives me a little bit of perspective to understand that they are going through a massive amount of changes, not just emotionally, but physically as well. FIU is playing a really critical role in changing the future of neuroimaging research, but FIU is having a really strong impact on increasing the representation among Hispanic and Latino participants in our research, which helps us understand a little bit more about representation in the human brain.